Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Mexican-style tacos. First, select a quality cut of beef, such as skirt steak or sirloin, for the best flavor. Marinate the meat for at least 30 minutes with citrus and spices to tenderize it and infuse it with rich taste. Then, cook the beef until it is perfectly tender, allowing it to be easily shredded or finely diced for your taco filling. Next, let's get those tortillas ready. Warm your corn tortillas on a hot comal or skillet for about 20 to 30 seconds per side until they are soft and pliable. While they warm, prepare your essential toppings. Finely dice some fresh white onion and cilantro, and have lime wedges ready for a bright, zesty finish. A good salsa is also key. Now for the fun part, assembling your tacos. Take a warm corn tortilla and place a generous 2 to 3 ounces of your flavorful cooked meat right in the center. Follow this with a light sprinkle of the fresh diced white onion and cilantro. Finally, add a squeeze of fresh lime juice over everything to brighten the flavors and complete your authentic Mexican taco. Once assembled, serve your delicious Mexican-style tacos immediately to ensure they are enjoyed at their peak freshness and warmth. Offer a selection of salsas, perhaps a mild green salsa and a spicier red one, allowing everyone to customize their experience. These simple, flavorful tacos are perfect for sharing and enjoying with friends and family, bringing a taste of Mexico to your table.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.